guys, it's 5 Big John here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset your DS Lite to factory reset. So what you're going to need to do is this battery cover, you need to take that off. So you need a small screwdriver, fine point, unscrew it, and you take your fingernail, or you can just bang it on your hand a few times and it should like pop out a little bit. Pull on that if it wants to come. You might need to unscrew it a little bit more. Alright, that should be good. I'll smack it a few times. There we go. See, you just pull right out and pull. There's the battery. So now you need to take out this battery for it to reset itself, because it's where all the data is. So you smack it, then it should pop out like that. You just pull it, set it, and then you're gonna want to wait about 30 seconds and it should be good, but sometimes you can wait less. So let's plug it back in. It's gonna be a little of a push. You should hear something, a little crack, and that's how you know it's in. And then to put your battery cover, you have these little 2 tabs. You just slide it towards the back like this, pops right in, see? And then you just screw it in, not too tight so you don't thread it, and then turn it back on, and you're good. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.